Welcome to Indiana State Museum, where you can stand face to face with the real mastodon, uncover Native American artifacts, and even explore Abraham Lincoln's early years. But here is the kicker: it is not just a museum, it is an interactive experience where you can touch history. Trust me, this is where you want to start your journey through Indianapolis. Most people skip government buildings when they travel. Big mistake. The Indiana State House isn't just a political hub, it is an architectural masterpiece. You can step inside for free tour, see the grand marble hallway, and even witness the history being made in the chamber. And the best part, you don't need to be a history buff to appreciate the sheer grandeur of this place. Monument Circle is heart of Indianapolis. This circle isn't just a stunning landmark, it is a storyteller. This 284-foot monument pays tribute to Indiana's veterans. But it is also the best place for 360-degree city view. You can climb to the top, take in the skyline, and really see Indy from whole new perspective. But if you are not climbing, just hang out. Grab a coffee from local cave, hop on a carriage ride, or visit at night when the lights turn on this place into pure magic. Trust me, you will want to spend some time here. Think Western and Native American history is just old paintings? Think again. The Eiteljorg Museum is alive with stunning ingenious art, hands-on exhibits, and stories that still shape America today. Whether it is an intricate beadwork or a bold modern piece, this place is unforgettable. After all that exploring, you need to unwind, and this is the place to do it. White River State Park is 250 acres of pure relaxation. Whether you want to walk along the canal, rent a kayak, or just sit and enjoy the city skyline. Plus, it's right next to Indianapolis Zoo and the NCAA Hall of Champions, so there is always something happening here. Okay, this might be most fun way to see the city, riding a Surrey bike along the canal. Picture this, a breezy ride, your crew pedaling together, cruising past fountains and bridges, all while soaking in the best view of downtown Indy. It's like sightseeing meets a mini workout, but trust me, it's worth it. Whether you're with friends or family, this is hands down one of the best ways to experience Indianapolis. And the best part, no traffic, no stress, just good vibes all the way. Every city has its landmark, but Indianapolis, it tells a story. From its deep history to its modern energy, there is a reason people coming back. So, if you are planning the trip, don't just visit Indy, experience it. Which spot would you visit first? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you are all about discovering incredible travel destinations, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notification so you will never miss an adventure. I have got even more amazing places to come up, from hidden gems to must-see landmark. So stick around because the best is yet to come. See you in the next one.